RPS students and families, my name is Miss Wade, and welcome back to another week of News to You. Our topic for this week is thanking hospital workers. So for 3 days this week, we will be reading stories and talking about how we can thank hospital workers. Before we begin our first video of the week, let's review some vocabulary. So take a minute if you use a communication board to pause the video and go get your device. All right, let's get started. Help, become, work, include, give, celebrate, make, send, busy, now, many, sick, healthy, hurt, all, important, people, coronavirus, that's a big one, hospital, doctor, nurse, medicine, janitor, card, National Hospital Week, May 10th through 16th, email, social media. All right, those are going to be our vocabulary words for this week. Let's get ready to read our story. But wait, what do we do before we read a story? We look at the questions. So let's look at those first. All right, our questions for today, and there's actually 8 of them today, but I know you guys can do it. Number 1, what is the paper about? Number 2, who are helping sick people become healthy? Number 3, where do hospital workers work? Number 4, what is May 10th through 16th? Number 5, what may hospital workers give sick people? 6, who is not a hospital worker? 7, what would a person go to the hospital to have fixed? And 8, what might a cafeteria worker use in a hospital? All right, that's a lot to keep in mind, but again, we've been practicing, so I know you can do it. Let's get started with our story. Thanking hospital workers. Hospital workers are very busy now. Many people are sick with the coronavirus. Hospital workers are helping sick people become healthy. Hospital workers work in hospitals. People who are very sick may go to hospitals. People who are hurt may go to hospitals too. People who are sick or hurt need help. Hospital workers can help these people. Hospitals have many kinds of hospital workers. A hospital worker may be a doctor, a nurse, a therapist, an aide, or a pharmacist. Hospital workers do many things. A hospital worker may do surgery, take a temperature, give medicine, and more. Hospital workers include janitors and cafeteria workers too. Janitors make hospitals clean. A clean hospital can help people be healthy. Cafeteria workers cook food in hospitals. Eating good food can help people be healthy. All hospital workers are important. People can thank hospital workers anytime. A good time to thank hospital workers is National Hospital Week. National Hospital Week is May 10th through 16th in 2020. This week celebrates hospital workers. People can do things to thank hospital workers. People can make cards, send emails, and write letters. People can send food to hospitals. Hospital workers can enjoy the food. People can thank hospital workers on social media too. They can say why hospital workers are important. People can share pictures and videos. They can share stories about hospital workers. People can use hashtag #MyHospital in their posts. Cities across the U.S. have hospitals. Many hospital workers are very busy now. They are helping people sick with the coronavirus. Many people are thanking hospital workers. How can you thank a hospital worker? That's the end. All right, that was a long story this week. So let's go back and before we forget and look at our questions. Number 1, what is the paper about? Let's think back to our title. What was the title of our paper? Thanking Hospital Workers. The title often helps you tell what the paper's about. So, what is this paper about? Sharing happiness, thanking hospital workers, or Irwin Family Helps Animals? Well, based on the title, I would say the answer is thanking hospital workers. Did you get that? All right. Next question. Who are helping sick people become healthy? Hospital workers, construction workers, or lawyers? Again, let's think back to our title. If you said hospital workers, you're correct. Where do hospital workers work? Clothing stores, restaurants, hospitals. Well, they are called hospital workers, which tells us they work where? In a hospital. How about number 4? What is May 10th through 16th? National Hospital Week, National Library Week, or Shark Week? Well, all of those sound exciting, but again, thinking about the article we just read, the correct answer is National Hospital Week. Very good. What may hospital workers give to sick people? Pets, tickets, medicine. Think about your experience. What do you want people to give you when you're sick? Well, I like pets and tickets, sure, but when I'm sick, I want medicine first so that I feel better. That's a weird looking check mark I made. Number 6, who is not a hospital worker? Cafeteria worker, principal, or nurse? Oh, this is a tricky one. I think you figured it out. If you said principal, you're correct. Where do principals work? That's right, in your school. What would a person go to the hospital to have fixed? A broken nail, a bad hair day, or a broken bone? Well, if you've ever been to the hospital for one of these, then you would know the answer. But for those of you lucky enough to not have to go to the hospital, do you know? If you said broken bone, you're correct. Great job. Okay, last one. What might a cafeteria worker use in a hospital? An oven, a stethoscope, or an X-ray machine? Ooh. Well, think back. What do cafeteria workers do? They cook food. So which of these would help you cook food? If you said an oven, you're correct. Great job. I told you you could do it. That's all for today. Tune in next time where we learn more about the different people who work in the hospital. See you then.